Alright, this is number 10 from the test, and it says the table below represents how much gas remains in the tank of a car after driving H hours. Which statement best describes the rate of change of gallons of gas in the tank with respect to time? Remember, if you see the keyword rate of change, even if it doesn't really matter what it says back here, but the keyword is rate of change, which means, once again, I am finding my slope. If you are finding the slope, you really only need 2 points from the table, which means, yes, you can use slope formula. So if your teacher had been teaching you slope formula, I like to set it up with the 2 circles on top divided by 2 circles on the bottom, making sure I put my y's on top and my x's on the bottom. And then I would just pick the 2 bottom points down here. I would pick these 2 and say, okay, my y2 is 10.9 and my y1 is 13.6. And then I will put my x's in, which means now I'm going to put these are my x's starting at the second x, which is 3, and then the first x, which is 2. And then I would proceed in putting them in my graphing calculator. Please make sure you understand that once these values go in the graphing calculator, if you're using slope formula, you have to make sure that you put them in exactly like they should be. I like to always click my division symbol first, so then I can see that, oh, the top number goes in there first, minus the 10.9 goes in first, minus the 13.6. And then at the bottom, you will put your x values in, 3 first, then 2, and then answer your question. However, big thing on this one, be careful, because if you look, there's 2 of these answers and 2 of these. It says hours traveled. So make sure that you know that the rate of change is gallons per hour. It should be gallons per hour. It's always in that order. It should be y per x. So that's why it's gallons per hour. So we're looking for one of these.